Organometallic compounds means metallic, metal. Organic means carbon. Bond between carbon and metal. So, in some compounds, there is a bond between metal and carbon. Such type of compounds are known as organometallic compounds. Organometallic compounds. So I am writing definition here, students. Compounds having one or more metal carbon bonds are called organometallic compounds. Organometallic compounds. So metallic, there is a metal. Organo means carbon. So there is a bond between metal and carbon. Minimum one will be there, more than one also possible. So such type of compounds are known as organometallic compounds. So see the example, students. So example CH3MgBr. You know this reagent very well. This is known as Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. Here what is the metal? Magnesium. Yes. See this here, magnesium is there and carbon is there. So there is a bond between carbon and magnesium. There is a bond between carbon and magnesium. So that only we said organometallic. There is a bond between carbon and metal. And again here we can divide this one into three types. So organometallic compounds are again three types. So classified into three types. First one. So based on number of bonds, type of bonds, these are classified into three types. First one is sigma bonded. Sigma bonded organometallics compounds. So sigma bonded, name itself we can define. So there is a bond between metal and carbon, and that bond may be sigma bond, because pi bonds also possible. So multiple bonds means there is a possibility of pi bond. So here we are considering only sigma bond. That means only single bond is formed between carbon and metal. There is a single bond is present in between carbon and metal. So if only one bond is present or sigma bond is present between metal and carbon, is known as sigma bonded organometallics. Okay. So here I am writing definition. These compounds contains having metal carbon covalent sigma bond. Metal carbon covalent sigma bond. So here we can write example. R3 trialkyl aluminum. See here, students. Trialkyl aluminum means aluminum is attached to 3 methyl groups. So each one is having single bond, sigma bond only. Similarly, CH3MgR also, because there is a bond between magnesium and carbon. but that is single bond only. Single bond and covalent bond. Single bond means that is sigma bond. So sigma bonds. Is it okay, students? Next one. So now we can guess the second one. First one is sigma means second one is pi bond. Pi bonded organometallics. Pi bonded organometallics. So pi bond means multiple bonds are possible. So there is a multiple bonds between carbon and metal. Multiple bonds means first one is sigma, second one is pi bond. So so here we can write the definition. These compounds contains use of pi bonds. సో దీనిలో పై బాండ్స్ మనం కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాము. సో ఎగ్జాంపుల్కి జీసీస్ సాల్ట్ దీని స్ట్రక్చర్ ఏంటంటే, దీని ఫార్ములా ఏంటంటే పొటాషియం కే PtCl3 C2H4. సో ఇది స్ట్రక్చర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. సో KPtCl3 C2H4. So C2H4 means you know very well it is a ethene. Ethene means double bond. So there is a bond between platinum and C2H4. So here I am giving tick marks. So there is a bond between platinum. Platinum is a metal, and carbon. So there is a bond between platinum and carbon, but it is multiple bond. Multiple bonds means double bond. Pi bond is possible. So here we are using one of the pi bond in complex. So these are known as pi bonded organometallics. In classification, third one is metal carbonyls. In name itself, it is the metal carbonyl. That means in carbonyl means CO group. Carbonyl means CO group. Carbonyl. CO means C triple bond O is there. So carbonyl CO. Here CO means C is there. Metal carbonyl. So metal combines with carbonyl group forms a metal carbonyl complex. So here only CO ligand is there. So it is homoleptic complexes. So definition is, it is a homoleptic complex. What is homoleptic complex? Same type of ligands. Same type of ligands are present. Same type of ligands are present in a complex. Example, NiCO4 times. See here, nickel is a metal and a bond is present between the nickel and carbon. CO4 is there, only CO is there, only CO, one type of ligand. One type of ligand is present, that means homoleptic complex. Now here we have to know the metal carbonyl complexes structure also. Already we know how to draw the structures based on VB theory. So suppose if a complex is given, we have to draw the electronic configuration. Then we can observe the oxidation state. Then we can see the either given ligand is strong ligand or weak ligand. Strong ligand, if strong ligand is given, electrons will pair up. Weak ligand is given, electrons will not pair up. Okay. So based on that we can predict the hybridization, shape, magnetic nature, either inner orbital or outer orbital, like this. So based on that we can write these structures now. First we can write the structures of NiCO4. NiCO4 is a nickel complex. That means tetracarbonyl nickel 0. So tetra carbonyl nickel bracket lo 0. So we have to write this name like that. So already you know how to write the names. Now we are drawing the structure here. Nickel, 4 CO ligands. So CO, CO, CO. So this is the NiCO4 shape is tetrahedral. Next one, FeCO5. So this is also metal carbonyl. Here metal is there, here carbon is there. There is a bond between metal and carbon, and only CO ligands are there. So it is a metal carbonyl. Then how to draw the structure? Fe. So 5 means you can consider this. How to draw the structure? So which shape it will be? So 5 CO groups. CO, 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 CO. So consider this, some students. We can draw like this. So now tell me, the students, what shape it is? Trigonal bipyramidal. Trigonal bipyramidal shape. Trigonal bipyramidal shape. Next one is CrCO6. CrCO6 times. So chromium is surrounded by 6 CO ligands. Six CO ligands around the Cr. So what is this shape, students? This is a shape of octahedral. Octahedral, students. Octahedral shape. Then try to write down the structure of CO2, CO2, CO 8 times. So here observe the students. CO contains 2 times. That means 2 nuclear. We can write this one as a dinuclear or polynuclear. More than once. Okay. So in case of first one, the second one, third one Ni is there, one Fe is there, one Cr metal is there. But in case of last one, CO2, CO8, that means here 2 nucleus are there. Okay. First CO is a cobalt, second CO is a carbonyl. So we can draw the structures, students. Here 2 CO metals are there, and next one is CO8. We have to draw the CO8. Here there is a one difference. So we can draw the structure now. Students, see here CO, 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 CO. 6 is there. Then what about remaining 2? C double bond O is there as a bridge form. So the middle CO. So here I am giving a tick mark. These two are known as bridged CO. Bridged CO. So this is the structure. So here these are terminal. At the end CO is there. That end CO is known as terminal CO. So number of terminal CO. How many is there, students? Left side 3 is there, right side 3 is there. 3 plus 3 is 6. So the number of bridged CO ligands is 2. Okay, and the number of, see here students, see here one more bond also is there between CO and CO. So we can write this one as number of metal bonds. Commonly we can call metal bonds. Number of metal bonds are 1. This is very important in objective, students. They will ask directly based on structure. So if you remember structure, you can write directly answers. Similarly, in case of Mn2 CO 10 times. So why actually Mn2 CO10 is formed? Why not MnCO5? Why not MnCO5? So tell me, students, why it is not MnCO5? Why it is Mn2 CO10 form is available? What is the main reason? Why it is polymerizes? Because the number of unpaired electrons are there in a manganese that will pair up by formation of dinuclear complex to get stability. So here Mn metal bond is there. So 5 1 see the students, here no bridged ligands. But the metal bond is possible. So here I am writing number of metal bonds. How many metal bonds are there? 1. Between manganese and manganese, only one bond is there. So number of metal bonds are 1. So number of terminal CO. How many terminal CO is there? 10 is there now. There is no bridge. So number of bridged ligands, bridged CO 0. Is it okay, students? So number of metal bonds are 1. Number of terminal CO is 10. Number of bridged CO is bonding orbitals and anti-bonding orbitals. So students, metal is having see this here, students. Here in carbonyl, carbon having 2 electrons. These electrons are donated. So by donating these electrons, see this here. By donating these electrons, sigma bond is formed. And here simply metal also having 2 electrons in pi orbital. So it can donate to the empty pi. This is actually pi star orbitals of a carbon. So donated. So these are 2 electrons. So hence pi bond is formed. So in case of metal carbonyl having 2 electrons, that carbon can donate the electrons to the metal orbital.